AI will not replace software developers. The fear is everywhere, but the reality is, in short, no. Yes, AI is automating coding tasks like generating code, writing unit tests, suggesting bug fixes, but the core of software development has always been problem solving, creativity, and understanding business needs. Those are deeply innate human skills, and accelerating the rate by which we generate code is unlikely to reduce those needs. And in fact, it will likely increase the need for software developers that understand the principles of good software and design. If we compare software development today to accounting, we can see a historical precedent. In 1975, the United States had a population of roughly 211 million people, and we employed about 714,000 accountants. That's before QuickBooks, personal computers, ERP systems, and all the other tools that were going to replace accountants. Today, the US has a population of 343 million, but we employ 1.5 million accountants. That puts the growth of accounting professions at double the pace of population growth. Impressive given the increase of productivity and tooling in that same time frame. What's really likely to be is just like accounting, a shift in how developers work. AI is becoming a powerful assistant, helping developers to move faster, catch errors earlier, and focus on interesting and high-value parts of their job. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, developers can spend more time designing great solutions and collaborating with stakeholders. The future isn't replacement, it's augmentation. Developers who can learn to work alongside AI will be more productive, more creative, and more valuable than ever, just like accountants and auditors today. But this means investing in upskilling, continuous learning, and embracing new tools.